I'm awake. Why does school have to be every day? Ugh, school. A note? It says, "Dear sweetie pie, I miss you so much. Have a good look in your new school. Please." Written by Mom. What new school? I don't want to go to new school. Oh, back of the paper is writing the address. It says, address 911. That's strange. Oh, that was a joke. Okay, the address says 412. Okay, that's kind of strange, but whatever. Better take the paper with me. At the school. Blah, 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 blah. Sorry I'm late, miss. You're late. Sit down to your seat, please. Kids, there are no 2 students in class. Please enjoy him. There is Alex. There's Elsia. The teacher is weird here. Never mind, I will ignore her. Oh, sorry, children. There's 3 new students. Come in, Alexandra. Okay, kids, let's start. Blah 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 blah. The bell ringed. I guess it's lunchtime. At lunch. Hey bro, who's that girl? Don't ever talk to her. Whatever bro, I'm gonna go talk to her. Hey. Hi, are you new to this school? To be continued.